Hi everyone, today we're talking about Uber's earnings, and before we get into the video, I am an Uber shareholder, as some of you guys know if you've been watching my videos. At the moment, I'm currently about 20% up on my position in Uber, depending on what happens. Now, as we're recording this video, they've just reported earnings, so after hours, Uber's up about 5%, but it's been a very choppy kind of after hours. The stock was kind of flat after reporting earnings, and then the conference call came, which we'll get onto in a little bit, and then the stock was kind of trading somewhere between a 5 to 10% range. So it'd be really interesting to see where the stock opens up and where it goes from here. I think it could be a very volatile day really for Uber, so we'll see what happens. But like I say, I am making this video, and by the time it's uploaded, it's probably had its day in the market, so we'll know where it's done. But like I say, from recording it, it seems like it could be a very up and down day, because after hours it's been trading between a 3 to 10% ratio of a upside after it's reporting its earnings. So after first Uber reported its earnings, it had a nice EPS and revenue beat, just slight little beat, and the stock kind of really didn't move off it. And then it came to the conference call, and in the conference call it was announced that Uber was to make profit in Q4 of this year. Now, if you've not been tracking Uber stock, basically Uber was not supposed to make profit until 2021, so next year. And even then, if you watch my videos, from my point of view, I'm not even sure they can do it in 2021. For me, it would have to be 2022. So for them to pull it all the way to this year was kind of shocked a few people, and that's where we had the big surge in the stock going forward. Now, it turns out the way that Uber's going to do it is by increasing its ride prices, which are obviously quite cheap at the moment. And we saw this from Lyft. Lyft had a little bit jump of this because people are thinking Lyft will do the same thing. So Uber's going to increase its prices. And as well as that, Uber Eats, one of the big not profitable sides of the company, they've started selling off a bit of the Uber Eats side of it, which are costing them money and keeping the sides that they think they can make profit from. So they're kind of shifting that now, and that's the two ways that Uber believe they can make profit in Q4. Now, from my point of view, I'll be honest, I don't think they can do it in Q4. I still think it'll be 2021. But like I said, it is good news to see that Uber are ambitious to make the profit, because the big thing with Uber, it's like a miniature Tesla really. There's a lot of people that hate Uber because of the amount of money they used. Even after these earnings, people going, oh, they're still losing this amount of money. They're still going to be bust by this year. And that's the big thing with Uber. So for them to really help the stock and the company get into profitability as soon as possible is really important. And that's what they seem to be doing on the conference call. And by using them two tactics, it seems that's where Uber's going to go from here. Now, like I say, I don't think they'll be able to do it, but we'll see what happens. If they can do it, it'll be absolutely amazing. So my point of view now is that I am up 20% on my shares, and I don't have any plans to sell. From my point of view, like when I invested in the company, I sort of see a 30 to 50% upside in this company. So I'm happy to hold it, and if they do get to that Q4 profitability, that'd be amazing. But for me, at the moment, I'm still holding my shares, guys, and from here, I still see a good 30% upside, so I won't be selling at all until it gets to that sort of price target. So guys, that's me updating you on the Uber earnings today. Like I say, it's some shocking news in the conference call. We'll see how it works out later on in the year, but I thought I'd update you guys because I know some of you do invest in Uber as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.